Aloha! Welcome to Boarding Adventure and another travel guide from Hawaii. Here are Sia and Abhi, and today we will show you how to plan your trip to the Garden Island of Kauai. This video is divided into 5 must-visit areas along with everything to do in those places for a wholesome travel experience. We have an entire Hawaii travel playlist linked in the description below, which you can check for the things to do and experiences to have on all the 4 islands. Kauai is the northernmost in the chain of Hawaiian islands. It is the oldest and also the smallest of the big and more popular 4 islands. We flew to Kauai from Oahu. The island is covered in green and has a stunning coastline. Lihue Airport is small but has all the possible amenities to get you started for your trip. Number 1 on our list of the places to visit is Napali Coast, located in the north shore of Kauai. To explore this unique coastline, you can either hike the Kalalau Trail from Haena State Park for 11 miles, take a helicopter tour or a boat ride along the coast. We explored both by land and water. Ours was a sunset cruise with dinner by Blue Dolphin Charters. The waters were extremely choppy. Anyhow, we had a great time exploring the dramatic landscape of Napali. The sharp ridges of the cliffs extending into rough seas, emerald green hue of the entire range, towering spires outcropping from the mountains cutting their way into clouds made it all an unforgettable sight for us. In winters, you can see and hear a lot of migratory whales and dolphins. There were waterfalls draining into the ocean, secluded beaches, and some sea caves with swarms of birds hovering above. To explore by land, we also hiked the Kalalau Trail from Haena State Park. For more information on the best hikes on the island, you can check our video linked at the top right corner. We did the day hike 4 miles out and back up to the Hanakapiai Valley, which was moderate, giving us an amazing feel of the dense tropical jungle and great views of the Napali shoreline. If you are unable to go for the first 2 options because of bad weather or any such reason, make sure to head to Koke'e State Park on the west for the 2 scenic lookouts that give an excellent glimpse of Napali and its beauty. Number 2 on our list is the Waimea Canyon State Park, also known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, located in the west of Kauai. This part of island is laden with natural wonders, great hikes and breathtaking vistas for you to spend an entire day. The drive to the canyon is beautiful. We stopped at the roadside after spotting a cascading waterfall flowing over an entire area made of bright red rock. While driving to Koke'e State Park, you can catch a close-up view of Poipu Falls and the majestic canyon ridges. Poipu Falls is the tallest waterfall on the island and can be accessed via the canyon trail. For a more easy access, make sure to head to Waimea Canyon Lookout, where you can appreciate the entire expanse of this beauty, way more compact and color saturated than the Grand Canyon. Number 3 on our list is the south coast of the island with areas like Koloa and Poipu. There is a blowhole known as the Spouting Horn, which can be accessed from a quick lookout. There are many luxury and some of our favorite resorts here. For more information on places to stay on the island, check out the video linked in the top right corner. Poipu Beach is an amazing place to catch a gorgeous sunset and spot some sea turtles. Some of my favorite places for a yummy pocket-friendly meal are located in this part of Kauai. The one we recommend is Tacos at Dark Rack and Puka Dog located at Poipu Beach for hot dogs served with their delicious tropical sauces and dressings. This heritage trail is an easy walk along the shoreline cliff for some 180-degree views of the clear blue ocean and its wrathful waves. Number 4 on our list is the more commercial and populated area of Kauai, East Shore, with towns like Kapa'a, Wailua and Lihue. Wailua Falls is a gorgeous place to visit from a quick lookout off the road. It's a twin fall thrusting its way into a turquoise blue pond rimmed by huge cliffs covered in moss. This is also a very lush green area of the island with winding Wailua River making its way across. Many tour operators offering kayaking and hikes to secret waterfalls operate in this area. On its fewer dry days, we recommend hiking the Sleeping Giant Trail for a bird's eye view of the surrounding towns and coastal areas of the island. You can also go for a bike ride on the Kauai all-purpose path running along the coast. Just like Poipu, this part of the island has many luxury resorts which we have covered in a previous video and their evening luau's filled with Polynesian music, dance and culture. Some of our favorite places to dine are the Hamura Simon, which serves the Hawaiian noodle soup dish Simon, and Duke's Kauai for their macadamia nut crusted fresh fish, live music and hula pie for dessert. Number 5 is the north part of the island where Princeville and Hanalei are nestled. This is the most remote, green, non-commercial and laid-back part of the island. Haena State Park is where the Kalalau trailhead is located. Key Beach and Tunnel Beach are some popular beaches in the area. This part receives the maximum rainfall of the whole of Kauai and also has the tallest and most powerful waves that we have seen anywhere. Hence, it is prone to flash flooding, landslides, and many other calamities. When the conditions are safe, it is a surfer's paradise and you can catch the many professionals taking on huge waves so skillfully. For things to do, we recommend checking out the Kilauea Lighthouse, Other places to see are the Hanalei Pier and the beach, and also the Queen's Baths, which is a cove with crashing huge waves, which was once accessible only for royalty but is now open to the public. We dined at the Calypso Island Bar and Grill in Hanalei, had the fish sandwich and the Huevos Rancheros, which brought a perfect end to our trip to Kauai. So guys, that was all from our week-long stay in Kauai. Hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video on boarding adventure, and make sure to check all our other travel vlogs from Hawaii, US and other parts of the world. Till then, mahalo for stopping by.